Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6, contain 4 members, which is me, Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Muhammad Azhari, Anis Syafiq Nur Anis Syafiqah binti Abdul Rashid, Nur Syafiqah binti Madlan, and Siti Nur Farishah binti Subuh.
Now we come to problem statement. Basically, the whole passage of problem statement state that students face challenges in understanding and solving problems related to redox reaction, particularly in the concept and balancing of the redox equations. The complexity of term and solution, coupled with a lack of expertise and novice level of problem-solving skill, contribute to difficulties. Amina Al-Kasri et al. 2022 suggests students may struggle due to misunderstanding about redox principle, making it hard to apply the knowledge. The conceptual complexity of redox reaction involving the electron transfer adds to the difficulty, especially for those that new to the topic. Since redox reaction have broad application, students might find it challenging to understand their practical implication. D. Jung et al. 1995 emphasized the importance of problem-solving skills in dealing with complex redox equation. So, to enhance learning quality, utilizing learning application with problem-based learning model is recommended to allow independent study and deeper understanding of the subject, which is redox reaction.
Our target audience is chemistry students in urban or rural area who take chemistry as an elective subject. Our application designed for mobile phone, laptop, and tablets and can work both in online and offline to help students who have limited connectivity to the internet.
While some instructional designers might dismiss AD as a potentially limiting or outdated approach and too linear, our team carefully considers each step before moving on to the next one. AD model provides us a systematic and structured approach to instructional design. It breaks down to the problem-solving process into distinct stages, which are analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, allowing us for a methodical and organized approach. AD model has a long history of successful application in various contexts. We choose it because of its proven track record and reliability in producing effective learning outcomes. Clearly, our team chose the AD model for its combination of flexibility, adaptability, and continuous improvement, which contribute to the development of high-quality learning.
Now, let's take a look about the development strategies part. For our group, we choose the ADDIE model for our instruction design. Why? Why we choose ADDIE model? Because we see this model is suited with our problem statement. ADDIE model contains 5 elements, which is analyze, design, development, implement, and evaluate. For the analyze, we will analyze all the problem statements, and then we will design our website according to the data from the analyze. And then we will develop the storyboard according to the design, and then we implement the development storyboard into the prototype. And then we will evaluate back the prototype from the real-time student. Next, we proceed to theory and the strategy for PNP. We choose 3 theory and the strategy, which is constructivism theory, problem-based learning, and also the Bloom taxonomy learning strategy. Okay, for the strategy is very suit with the ADDIE model, because the ADDIE model is more to problem-based learning. The student need to develop or need to solve the problem according to the problem from the website, and it is so is complement with the constructivism theory itself. And also, we include the Bloom taxonomies because we have some level in our website, which is lower, middle, and hard level that will explain more detail in the storyboard part.
Begin our Redoxy Odyssey application flowchart. I will start with display when user enter to the app's homepage. It will lead to do you have account interface? If yes, we will proceed to login email and password. If no, you will lead to the sign up interface. We have considered user-friendly mechanism, which if the email and password are not correct, user will have 3 attempts to reset new password and proceed to log in like usual. If there is no problem in email and password, apps will proceed to group assign display, then learning objective display, and proceed to choose role display. We have 3 different roles, which are: if user not choose chemist, they will have environmental engineer or materials engineer as their role. All of this role lead to next displays, which is show briefing video. After they watch the briefing video, they will start answering 3 level questions, which are easy, medium, and hard, based on the Bloom's taxonomy model. Also, we have implemented designing user-friendly experiences for create a look back and review question, which user can view back their question and answer. Then our Redox Odyssey apps will end with user displayed their findings to audience, and with that I will proceed to our storyboard with my other group members.
The first element of a strata problem-solving model is to establish learning outcome. So, from our storyboard, we can see that the first page that the students or player will see is page. Here is only for 6 seconds, and the students automatically will be led to the second page, which is our login page. Login page is for students that have account for these apps, but if the students doesn't have account yet, which is a first-time user, they will need to be signed up. For login and sign up, they are needed to use the email that has been provided by KPM and schools. After they have done signing up or log in the apps, there will be a page called grouping page. Here they can see their name in what group. So the number of students for each group varies according to the number of students in the class. However, the number of group is fixed, which is 6 group. And then they will be need to go through the learning objective that they should understand or get after finish this game. Second element is assign students role. So for these games, we specifically have set 3 roles only, which is chemist, material engineer, and environment engineer. And after that, there will be lead to problem thing, which is a short video about the problem or situation that they are facing. The third element is motivate students. For students, we believe by applying the 3-level game can help students feel motivated after completing each level, which is easy, medium, and hard. Fourth element is create a strategy document. Strategy document is behind the scene of the apps. So we decide to implement taxonomy Bloom inside the apps, which is, we know taxonomy Bloom has lower order thinking skill and high order thinking skill. So for medium and hard, there will be a different stage of taxonomy Bloom applied.
Element 5. Develop educational activities. All of the students need to answer all level of question based on their roles. So, if the student here click the easy level, they will go to the easy question. And then after finish answering the easy question, the student need to click the next button, and then they will go to the level menu and need to click the medium level. And then after click the medium level, they will go to the medium question. And then they will need to click the button next, and they will go back to the level menu, and then they need to pick the hard level, and then they will go to the hard question. All of the students need to answer all level of question after answering one by one level. It means after answering the easy level of the question, then they can answer the medium level, and then they will need to answer the hard question. This apply to all of the role, including the chemist, the material engineer, and the environmental engineer. After answering all level of question based on their roles, students are given option to review the answer with the answer skip. If they want to review, they can click yes. If they don't want to review, they just can click no. If the student click yes, they will review all level of question with the correct answer. And the final element is present the solution to the problems. All of the students need to present all of their findings based on the question to the class member during class session. This will add more knowledge to everyone in the class and will help move them to answer the redox question next time. And lastly, we will show you the exit page to end the session.
In summary, I would say that apart from the statement of the problem, we have come with a solution which is a specified application called Redox Odyssey. This application helps students to apply Redox topics, focusing on correction topics through problem-based learning methods. Throughout this assignment, our group has learned various aspects in implementing problem-based learning methods. This assignment also taught us to be more patient in finding various sources and reference to produce an educational application that can help our student understanding. That's all from us. Thank you for lending your ears. Assalamualaikum.